Welcome to IT tutorials. So in this video we will see how to fix Windows update error on Windows 11. So the first step is to go to services portal. So search for services and then here scroll down to Windows update. So Windows update service should be in running state. First we will set its startup type. So pull this drop down and set this startup type as automatic and then click apply and OK. And now at the top click start the service. So now you could see Windows Update Service is in running state. Then the second step is to clear software distribution folder. So go to C drive, then Windows, and then here you can see software distribution folder. So software distribution folder is a temporary storage where Windows Update files are downloaded and stored before installation. So we can safely delete the contents of this folder. So open the folder and press Ctrl A and select all the items within the folder and then right click and click on delete. So this folder is clear now. Some of the items may not be deleted, so you can skip the deletion. Once this is done, then restart the computer. And after computer is restarted, then go to settings, then go to Windows Update and click on check for updates. Update should be downloaded and installed without any error. Thank you.